Welcome to Automod Racing. This is a 2019 Dodge Challenger Sxt. We're going to be installing this Eibach Pro Kit lowering springs on it. Right now you can see the difference with the height. It's about 4 inches. I can stick 4 of my fingers in there in the front. In the rear, it's the same. And once we're all done, we're going to show you the difference. So stay tuned. Welcome back to Automod Racing. This is the 2019 Dodge Challenger Sxt that we just finished installing the Eibach Pro Kit lowering springs. Early in the video you could see I could fit 4 fingers in before the lowering springs are installed, and now as you can see it's 3 in the front, 3 in the rear. So if you want to get this done to your car or anything similar, or just an estimate, come in today or give us a call at 661-729-8877. Thank you for watching.